Another Munch Pack. Dad! Let's just get unboxing. Oh, it's from one place. Francis.
France?
Oh, wait, is it from one place? I don't even know. It just says
That's
France.
the person that packed it.
Oh, that makes sense. Wrap snacks from the USA. Okay then.
Ooh, Cardi B.
Cheddar barbecue. Huh. I am actually kind of excited. I actually put my hand on chips. Smells like Lay's. Well, I mean Pringles. Tastes like Lay's barbecue. Just a little bit more spicy. Want to try one, Dad?
Sure.
They're good. It's like sweet and spicy at the same time. Huh? Mm. You have home pie mini chocolate cookies from Japan. There's one word on here I have no idea how to pronounce. Let's open it. Let's do it from this way. Smells so good. Oh, there's one in the corner here. Oh, this is what it looks like. And that's the back. Kind of weird. But it looks good. Pretty good. You want to try one, Dad?
Sure.
There's like a ton of them in here. Oh. That's
Perfect. Fit.
There's a dog. Oh, I think I see something that you would like, Mom. And it's cola flavored. It's from Turkey again. Yay.
Turkey.
Not that kind of turkey. The country. Oker Bonbon Cola flavor. Oh, right. Oh, you can't really see the package. Look at this thing. Oh, got it. Oh. You get one. So that's what they look like. Except it's in the package. It's like those little caramel thing, like those little caramel candies that look like this. Except this is cola flavored. So it tastes exactly like Coca-Cola. That is weird. Want to try one? You want?
Not right now, thanks.
Okay. Like that, it tastes exactly like Coke. I'm actually very surprised about that. Two things left. Ooh, there's a wafer from Israel.
Israel.
Israel, whatever it's called. Minimum hazelnut wafer. I'm pretty sure it's minimum hazelnut flavor. I don't even know. Dad.
Manamim hazelnut wafer.
Okay, so it is minimum. Minimum. Oh, it's like one whole thing. Break off a piece. Kind of tastes like those other like little wafer things. Like that's just the wafer part itself. It's really good. You wanna try some, Dad?
Sure.
Drop it off. Like one giant bar, so I'm trying to break some off. Ooh. One more thing. And this one's from Japan. All I know that it's pure mixed berry gummies. Strawberry and blueberry flavored gummies. I don't know what that one says. What that one says.
Canro. Pure mixed berry gummies.
Canro pure mixed berry gummies. I actually noticed the little tab thing this time. That's just that is smooth. Oh, pop. Oh. Surprised me. This is what it looks like. Half and half. The Coke thing. Starting to crack a little bit. It's like a little bit sour. Ooh. Want to try one, Dad?
Sure.
Oh, it's so good. I don't know why those things so good.
Kind of like Fuzzy Beaches, but different.
Basically what I was thinking. That's all. My second lunch pack I enjoyed, and there was actually there was my country's neighbor, USA.